The woman who lives next door.
People who live in the country.
An architect is someone who designs buildings.
What was the name of the person who phoned?
Anyone who wants to apply for the job must do so by Friday. I don't like stories that have unhappy endings.
Grace works for a company that makes furniture.
The machine that broke down.
Who's that woman?
She lives next door to me. I've never spoken to the woman who lives next door.
Where is the cheese?
It was in the fridge.
Where is the cheese that was in the fridge?
What happened was my fault.
Everything that happened was my fault.
The machine that broke down is now working again.